Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, this is the second part of retrieving data. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Java part of how you can retrieve images and photos together in this social media app using Firebase. So without wasting time, you can see that this video is streaming quite good and also this video. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Java part. So without wasting time, let's start. Guys, first of all, here we will create a Java class for static class. It will work as a static class. And in our previous tutorial we have created this layout file of this for the post. So here you can see that we are using image view and Exoplayer together, understand. So today we will focus on the Java part, understand. So first of all, click on this package and then click new, and that will be Java class, and the name will be post view holder, understand. And then after this you have to extend that class, then recycler view dot view holder, then click on this red bulb, then create constructor matching super, understand. Now we have this. After this we can proceed here. So guys, after this just keep all the childs that we are using there. So here first of all we have to declare variables, understand. So write image view. Then guys, now we have declared all the variables that we need in this post view holder class here. So you can see that image view and database reference, image button for like button, menu options, and we can also add the comments button later. So for now guys, after this we can proceed. Here is image button and also comment btn. Now we have all these variables, understand. After this we can proceed. So one more thing here is integer, and that will be integer likes count. Yeah, we can proceed here. After this guys, you have to create a method that will be public, so we can use it in fragment 4, public void, then set post, and then write fragment activity, because we will call this method in a fragment. That's why if we if you are using it inside of activity, then you have to write activity instead of fragment activity. And then after this you have to declare the strings, then all the data that we are going to retrieve here. So first of all, now you have to open this post member class. You know why? Because you have to keep the way, I mean the pattern, the sequence should be same. Name, URL, post URI, time, UID, type, description. This sequence should be same, understand. So just copy it from here, control plus C, go back in this post view holder.java, and then you have to paste it. See, now I have pasted all of them. So you have to just write a string for all of them, understand. For all of them, string, and now we have this. Yes, remove it. So after this guys, inside it we can proceed here. So now we will give the reference for all the childs that we are using here. So guys, now here we have two image views, and image view profile, understand. And another image view will be for image view underscore post, understand. So guys, now we can do here is we have two image views, and then we can give reference. So write image view profile equals to item view dot find view by id, find view by id r dot id dot, and then after this you have to write iv post. Let me see the for the profile. So here you can give the id, and that is related iv. So here you have to change the id. So guys, just change this id, iv profile item, iv profile item, understand. And then click on this image view iv post item. Yeah, that's okay. So write iv profile item, understand. Then iv post equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot, and that will be iv post item. Let me see the id. So this is iv post item. Yeah, so you can write here iv post item. Now the reference is correct. So guys, now you can see that we have given all the reference, understand, inside this set most method that we are creating here, understand. So after this guys, what here you can do is that we will declare variable for exoplayer. So write simple exoplayer and then exoplayer, understand, and then after this player view, that is for the UI that we are using for player view, I mean for exoplayer, understand. And then after this you have to write item view dot find view by id r dot id dot, and that will be for exoplayer. And let me see the id of the exoplayer. Click on this. Now we have the id exoplayer item post, understand. So you have to write exoplayer item post then semicolon. So now we have declared the variable. So guys, here now the important thing comes that you have to check the type of the post, that it is a image view or video view, understand, it is an image or video. So guys, as you have remembered that we are saving the type here also, you can see, and the type is iv and vv. Iv stands for image view, vv stands for video view. So if it is iv, so we will make the image view active, and if it is vv, then we will implement exoplayer, understand. That's very basic and simple thing. So write type, and that will dot equals, that will be that if it is an image view, then we will do something. And what we will do here exactly is that I will show you. Site picasso. And guys, if you are not getting picasso, then you have to add a library picasso in your Gradle build for retrieving and loading images. It's open source library. You can copy the dependency from my source code website, and then it will be okay, understand. So add it in Gradle build and then sync, so you will be able to use that picasso open source library, understand. So image view, that will be image view profile, yes. So guys, inside this image in this picasso, what I'm doing here exactly is, you can see that I am loading the image of the user profile, understand. This is not a post, this is a user profile, understand. And then after this guys, again I will use the picasso, because picasso dot get dot load. This time I will save the post URI, because it is the URI of the post that user have uploaded, understand. So here you have to write iv post, understand. And after this you will write tv time, tv name is not required, tv description dot set text, that will be description, understand. Then tv time, that will be dot set text, that will be time, understand. And tv name profile dot set text, that will be simply name, understand. And then after this player view dot set visibility, and that is going to be view invisible, not visible, yes. So guys, here you can see that if the video, I mean if the post is iv, means if it is image view, so we will load all that data, understand, and we will make the exoplayer invisible. But else if the type is equals to VV, then we will implement exoplayer. So now here you need to focus that what exactly I am doing here. So write VV, and if it is video view, so what we will do. So first of all, we will make the image view post. So write image view post dot set visibility, that will be invisible. We will make it invisible first of all, understand. Then after this we can proceed here. So there are some codes of line that we can copy, control plus C, because control plus V. Then after this we will copy this line also and then paste it here. After this, now guys, we will implement exoplayer. So for this we will use try and catch. So exception, that will be E, and then yeah, that's okay. So guys, inside this exoplayer we will implement the exoplayer. So let me tell you that exoplayer is an open source library of Google. You can use it for retrieving videos in your Android app, understand. So I have added it, and I have added its dependency in my Gradle build, so you can go and copy the dependencies from my source code website. Its link is available in the description box. Understand? So guys, now we will write the codes for Exoplayer. Understand? So first of all, write bandwidth meter, and it is actually used for retrieving the audio. I think default bandwidth meter, then dot builder, not here, dot builder here, and then after this here you have to pass the activity, and then after this you have to write build. It will create the media player. Then after this guys, here you have to write the track selector. Actually it is work for the track, it works for the audio of the video. I hope you guys understanding default track selector. And inside it you have to pass new adaptive track selection dot factory, and inside that you have to pass that bandwidth that just we have created. And then after this you have to write the exoplayer, and then equals to, now here we will declare it is a simple exoplayer, and so here you have to write exoplayer factory, not extractors factory, then new simple instance. And then guys, here you have to pass that activity. Don't get confused just because of this big message. Understand? And whenever, just after I will write the semicolon, it will go. See? So it has nothing to do. Just stay calm, follow my codes, and everything will work. Understand? Write video, that will be equals to, here we are retrieving the URI dot parse, and here you have to give the post URI. Yes. Understand? After this you have to write default http data source factory, then df equals to new default. Actually we are initializing the data source factory here, so you have to give the client. So here you have to write, sorry, not under, you have to write the video. Yes. After this semicolon, after this you have to also write the extractors factory, and that will be ef equals to new default extractors factory. Again we are initializing it, default extractor factory. Understand? And then semicolon. After this guys, here you have to write the media source. Yes, media source, that will be media source equals to new default new extractors media source. Guys, don't get confused because it is showing depreciated. It will work, I can guarantee. Then after this you have to give the default df, then extractors ef, and then after this you have to pass null, and again null for event listener and event handler, again null for event listener. Yes, that's how it will work. After this just write player view dot set exoplayer set player, that will be exoplayer. Understand? And then after this you have to write exoplayer, and then exoplayer dot prepare, write media source, pass media source inside it, sorry, and then exoplayer dot set play when ready. So you have to pass the false, otherwise all the video will start playing whenever the activity will launch. So after this guys, you can show a toast message inside this exception, that if there is any error, then we will show the toast message that invalid, or you can write error. Yeah. After this guys, now you can see that we are done with this. Yes, almost we are done. So else if now guys, after this we can proceed now. Understand? After this guys, here you have to just open this you have to open the post view holder for related items. Open this fragment too, and here I will check the view holder questions. Yes, so just open this view holder questions, and then guys you have to copy some of the codes from here for implementing the likes functionality, because I'm also gonna show you that how you can do it. So question view holder 2, so where is, yeah, so guys, here is the code that we are going to use. So just simply copy this entire stuff from here, control plus C, Go back in this post view holder.java, understand, then this, and then after this here you can paste it exactly. Then guys, here you have to just simply write remove this line, control plus D. You have to write the likes button equals to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot likes post button, understand. And here guys we have reference, that is for likes reference. See here I have declared this like reference, understand. So we are going to use it just now. So just remove this from here, right? Likes, not likes button, likes reference. And then it will be likes ref, and you have to give the reference post likes, understand. And then here you have to write the like btn, like btn. And now guys, here we need the, yeah, I see like if it has a child, and else dislike, understand. So after this guys, now we have done our coding part. Or one more thing, that here you have to write tv likes count, that integer variable that we have declared above, and that is for retrieving the number of likes that is done on that particular post. Write snapshot, and then after this dot child, and we will check that post key, then dot has child, and then we need get children count. Yes, so that is how we will get. And then after this you have to write tv likes dot set text, that will be likes count. So that will be not directly, I mean not like this, you have to write integer and then dot to string, and then after this you will pass likes count. Yes, and then obviously plus, then likes. Yes, now it's okay, understand. So same thing here, control plus C, paste it here. Yeah, that's okay. So now you can see that we are done almost with the codes. Now here we are changing the drawable. Here we are retrieving the number of counts, number of likes, and then here we are doing the, yeah, validation. So everything is now almost correct. So where it is showing the error, so let me remove it, just one, then again, that's okay. Now there is error is gone, understand. You have to change the method's name, that will be not favorite checker, that will be like checker. Yes, understand. So guys, now we are done with this post. So go back in this fragment 4, because now we will work here, understand. So just come here above, and here we need to declare some variables again, because we will use recycler view and a lot of things. Yeah, first of all write recycler view, and then recycler view. After this Firebase database equals to Firebase database dot get instance. Just after this you have to write database reference, then reference, and that will be, yes, reference, then reference, and after this reference for likes again, like ref, and then fine, later we will work on it. What for now, we just only need these two, and also boolean for likes. So like checker, that will be false. By default we will make it false, understand. After this we can proceed here. So just guys, come inside here on activity created, and now guys, here we will give the reference for all the recycler view reference. Yeah, so first of all, like database reference, write reference equals to database dot get instance, and then get reference, that will be, we need to retrieve data from all post. So here you have to open the post activity, and we will see that where we are saving both images and photos. All images, all posts, we just need to copy this, control plus C. all post, go back in this fragment 4, and now we have the reference all post, understand. And then guys, after this here next is like reference equals to database dot get reference, and that is for this should be same as here. Open this and copy this post likes reference, control plus C, and then go back, then paste it here, then semicolon. After this we will give the reference for recycler view equals to find view by id, get activity, sorry, we are inside a fragment, I forgot. Then find view by id, yes, recycler view get activity dot find view by id, and then it will be rv post r dot id dot rv answer your questions. Let me open the fragment 4. Hopefully we have implemented, I think we have not implemented recycler view in this fragment 4, and yeah, as I am correct, we have not implemented it. So guys, here you just need to write yeah, recycler view, that will be width will be match parent and height will be also match parent, if we can do, yes. And then we will give the margin, that will be margin 3dp, very little bit margin, and then after this we will give the id, that will be rv underscore posts, then close it, understand. But just like this, yeah, now that's okay. So now we have this recycler view, understand. After this you can give here is rv posts, understand. Then after this guys, here we will fix some conditions for recycler view, like set fixed size, that will be true. And then after this recycler view dot set layout manager, also you have to fix the layout, the right new linear layout manager, and then you have to pass get activity because we are using it inside a fragment, that's why you have to do these steps, understand. After this guys, here we can proceed. So after this just go after of yes, now we have on start. Now you have to copy some codes again, so open this fragment 2 where we are using yes, where we are already using this whole stuff, understand. So guys, here you just need to copy codes from this Firebase recycler options to this yes, control plus C, and go back in this fragment 4 and then simply paste it. Yeah, now we pasted it. So now guys, we will do all the things one by one, understand. And we just don't need to make a lot of changes. Here you have to change the reference, that will be reference, understand. And this question member will be post member, then again here post member. You have to replace this question member with post member because we are because our model class is post member, not question member. We have copied the codes from question from fragment 2, and in that activity, for that activity the model class is question member. So but for now the model class is post member, so you have to change it. And also from here we will write post member, understand. And you have to also change this view holder questions, and that will be post view holder, understand. Same post member, then post view holder, then post view holder, understands. And now you can see that it started showing error, but don't be panic, everything will be fine, just follow my steps, understand. And then after this you have to write again the post member. Now only thing that I'm doing here is I'm replacing the codes, understand. I'm just replacing the codes, I'm not doing anything. So here what was the thing? Yeah, delete it. So write holder dot set post, and now it is showing error because we have to just delete this code from here. Yes, and then what I have done exactly, I have deleted this, also this one. Yeah, deleted. So guys, after this just let me comment these things. Yes, and you have to change this to like checker. See, everything is quite good. Favorite button, like btn, and now here you have to change it to like checker, and then like reference. See, all the error is going slowly, like checker, then like reference, and just comment this line for us now, understand? And then like checker, and then also just delete these codes from here, we don't need it, understand? And then likes reference, and likes checker. So guys, now where the error is left, yeah, we need to give post view holder, and also here post view holder, and change this to post layout, understand? Now all the error is gone, as you can see. Everything is pretty good, no errors, nothing wrong. But yeah, one thing that we forget to do here is you need to write holder dot set so write holder dot set post, and now get activity. And then after this, guys, just make sure the pattern should be same again. I have to tell you this thing, understand? Pattern should be same. It means that sequence, post, name, url, uri, time, all this thing, understand? So first of all, name, url, post, uri. So write model dot get name, then model dot sorry, model dot get name, then model dot get url, uri, get url, model dot get uri. Model dot get name, model dot get url, model dot get post uri, then model time uid, model dot get time, model dot get url, get time, then model dot get post uri, time uid, type time, get time, get uid, and then model dot get type. Yeah, time uid, type description, time uid, type, and we are retrieving the time 2 times, and again model dot get description. That's okay. Now again check again, name, url, post uri. So name, url, post uri, time uid, type description, time uid, type description, understand? So for now, guys, that is just okay, I think so. Yeah, So after this, so guys, now it is the final time to run the app. But just before running, I just want to show you some things that you have to do. Is that open, guys? Just open this project structure here, understand, and then click on this modules, and then guys here you have to select this value 1.8, understand, and also here the 1.8 source compatibility and target compatibility, you have to make it 1.8 Java, then click on this OK, understand. Then after this it will do this little bit Gradle process sync, and then guys let me just check the codes again that we are not doing any mistake, and make sure that the reference is correct, that if you are giving reference of TV, so it should be a TV. But now here you can see that I'm doing this comments TV comment, and it is a comment button post, it is an image button, and I'm giving reference in a TV, so it may create problems, so just comment this line for now, understand. So guys, now I will run the app in my physical device. Guys, you can see that the app is running absolutely good, understand, there is no error. So now I will click on this fragment 4, and this time we should retrieve all our data. So here you can see that the photos are retrieved successfully, understand, and also you can see that the video is also retrieved here, and these are my photos, and yes, this is a video. Guys, in next tutorial I will show you that how can we create this custom Exoplayer controls. But for this tutorial we can do, you can see that the oops, we need to remove that toast message, understand, but that's okay, that's a small change, we can do it. So for now you can see that the post and data is retrieved quite good. So guys, in next tutorial I will show you that how can we improve this activity more beautiful, and we will do more good things with it, understand. But for now that's okay. So guys, if you like this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.